This is the right set of jugs, looking at it from the flywheel side on a Wisconsin VH4D, about 107 cubic inch engine. You can see here it's some pretty nasty water damage. I've cleaned it up best I can. And all the rust deposits, and the engine was recently rebuilt before they let it just sit and get nasty. The journals on the crank look near perfect. I don't think they replaced the valve guides. It's hard to tell. They felt looser than they felt like it could have been a little tighter. I'm going to run a tap through all the threads, put anti-seize before I put the head back on when I'm done. So the pistons I had in here were 40 thousandths over, which is I'm not going to go to 60. What I am going to do is I'm going to take another 54 thousandths off, or whatever it turns out to be, and I'm going to sleeve it with some 3/32 or 94 thousandth sleeves, 93.75, or I'm sorry, 0.9375. I'm going to take the oversized pistons, the 40s, and just like I'm boring out these cylinders, I'm going to turn those down so that they're standard, because the pistons are, they're the where the crank pin goes, it's nice. The pistons are all good. There's a little scraping on the outside, but it's got an extra 40 thousandths on the outside that I'm not going to need. So when I take those down, they'll be like new. That's a pretty simple thing to do. I'll let you know how it goes.